is up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Jacelyn and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be trying out some affordable drugstore hair products that you guys can use. And I'm going to be giving you guys a little demo and giving you guys my honest opinions on these products to see if these products you can actually use and will work for your hair. So today I'm going to be trying out Cantu. You guys know these products have been out for quite a while and a lot of their products are very cheap and affordable. You can find them at Walmart. I think you can find them at Target. You can find them at pharmacies, and their products usually tend to be pretty good products for their buck. So today I'm going to be trying out their cream shampoo and their hydrating conditioner. So I'm going to try these two out. I have never tried Cantu shampoos or conditioners, and I got the big jugs because I use this, my baby uses it, and then also my boyfriend uses it. So we're going to be trying them out and see how they work. And then I'm also going to be trying their new curl activator, which is the Cantu Avocado Hydrating Curl Activator with avocado oil and shea butter. I've already seen a few reviews on this line from Cantu, and I've seen some good reviews and then I've seen some not so good reviews. I wanted to try it out myself just to see if it'll work for my hair. So if you guys want to see how these products worked for my hair, then just keep on watching. So the first product that I'm going to go ahead and use from the Cantu is the Cleansing Cream Shampoo, which is sulfate free, also silicone and paraben free, and also does not have any mineral oils in it. And it says that it is a rich lather that removes heavy buildup, helps protect against breakage, and it's also great for natural and colored hair. So right off the bat, while using it, I did feel that it does a great job of removing heavy buildup. So my hair didn't really have heavy buildup, so I did feel like it stripped a little bit of my natural oils when I was washing it, which is what it's supposed to do. But again, I would use this maybe like once a month when I do have a lot of heavy buildup. Now, I wouldn't use this on a weekly basis because I feel that like it would dry out my hair. But I do think that it's a great shampoo to use at least once a month. Or if you apply a lot of product in your hair throughout the week, then I would recommend that you use it just to remove that buildup and have a nice cleansed scalp for your fresh hair, for your fresh hair. A nice cleansed scalp for your wash day. But I do like to focus the shampoo mostly on my scalp, and I do not apply any on my ends because you guys know your ends usually tend to get dry because it's hard for the oils of your scalp to go through your ends because of the curly hair. So like I said, recommend it for a monthly basis. That's what I'll be using it for. But overall, I think it was a great shampoo. Alright, so moving on to our next product, it's going to be our conditioner. So this one also is sulfate free, silicone, paraben, and mineral free. It's a hydrating cream conditioner. It helps your hair retain its natural oils, reveals healthier, hydrated hair, and it's great for natural and colored hair. So I really liked this conditioner because I felt that it was very hydrating on my hair. So it made it really easy for me to detangle my hair while I was in the shower, and that's what I like to do when I'm in the shower. I like conditioners that are very hydrating and just makes it so much easier to detangle because sometimes my hair tends to get a lot of tangles when I go like a week and a half without washing my hair. I know sometimes I go longer than that, but you guys don't judge me. But that's just what I do. Overall, great. I like to focus this more on my mid shaft of my hair down to the ends and then apply a little bit on my scalp. I don't really focus a lot of the conditioner on my scalp because, you know, your scalp has natural oils, so I don't want it to weigh my hair down. But overall, great conditioner. I would recommend you guys get this one if you haven't. It's really affordable. I believe it was like $4 or $5. Maybe it was like $8. Not sure. I'll go ahead and link it up here so you guys can see the prices for both the shampoo and conditioners if you guys are looking for an affordable one. And this jar is huge. Both jars are 25 ounces, so 1 pound and 9 ounces. So it's a great product and a great amount for the amount it costs. So that's my take on the conditioner. So the next product that we're going to be using is actually a new product from Cantu. So I've used previous styling products from Cantu. I believe I've used their curl activator before and their smoothie. I can't remember, but I'll go ahead and put a link up here so you guys can check it out to see how my hair turned out with that product. But today we're going to be using a new one. It's this one right here, which is the Cantu Avocado Curl Activator Cream. It has avocado oil and shea butter as well, and it helps define and soften hair, and it's for frizz-free curls. So for all my ladies out there that have frizz, hopefully this product will help with that. I will let you guys know towards the end once my hair is styled and diffused, and let you know if it is frizz-free. This product is also silicone free and is free from parabens, paraffins, phthalates, and mineral oil. I'm going to go ahead and part my hair into two sections, and I'm going to apply a pretty good amount of this product on my hair. Let's see how it feels first. Alright, so this consistency is a little thick, but not too thick. You guys can see how it sticks. You guys know that I don't like to apply really thick products on my hair, and if it usually is, then I like to add some water to dilute it so it's not so thick. I'm just going to rake it in my hair and do the praying hands. And whatever else product I have remaining on my hands, I like to apply to the scalp, because you guys know that I don't like to apply too much on the scalp because I don't like it to weigh my hair down, because then my hair will not have as much volume. And right off the bat, I feel like this product is very hydrating. My hair feels really smooth and soft, and I feel like my hair is really drinking up this product. And this product smells so good. I mean, it's avocado and it has shea butter in it. You guys already know I'm gonna go ahead and use the Demon brush. Alright, and I'll just scrunch my life away to activate these curls. As you guys can tell, I'm not going for like the really defined curls today, because if I was, I would be using a different technique with the Demon brush. But today, I'm just gonna go for some looser curls. I think I'm gonna go ahead and part this section into two sections, because I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair down the middle. I'm gonna rock my hair like that for the next few days. So I'm gonna use this much for just this side. Alright guys, so I'm just scrunching my knife away all over my hair to make sure I get some nice curls. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and let my hair air dry, and then I'll diffuse it, and then I'll be back to show you guys the final results. Alright guys, so this is my hair after letting it air dry and diffusing it. Now you guys can see how my hair looks without fluffing it out and giving it the extra volume. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick, and then you guys are gonna see how much more volume I get when I fluff my hair out. When I fluff it out, I don't like to disturb my curls, so I just like to like fluff it out mostly on the roots. I'm not raking my fingers through it. I'm just fluffing it out to get more volume. And so this is how much more volume I get with just fluffing my hair out. It really helps create that extra volume that I look for and a lot of curly girls look for. So just make sure that whenever you style your hair, you guys are fluffing your hair, picking your hair. Just make sure you guys are not raking your fingers all the way through your hair. That way you don't disturb any of your curls. So my opinion on these products. I honestly like the combination of all these products. You guys, the cream activator, I thought I wasn't gonna like it that much because it felt a little bit thick to me, but not so thick, so I watered it down just a little bit. But honestly, you guys, it was so moisturizing on my hair. I feel like my hair just drank it all up, and I don't know if it's because I used the cream shampoo, and it did kind of like strip my hair a little bit out of its natural oils. So I don't know if this helped replenish it, and it just, I swear my hair just soaked it up. But I don't know if that's what that's what it did, but my hair loved it. Like, my hair looks so nice and shiny right now. It feels so hydrated. It looks nice and hydrated, and I love it. Like, I really like this product. Now, from a scale from 1 to 10, I would give it a 9, and that's because it says for frizz-free curls. And I have a little bit of a halo frizz going on right now, and honestly, you guys, I kind of always have that problem with my hair, especially after I diffuse it. So I can't really blame the product, because I noticed that when I was air drying my hair, I noticed that I really didn't have any frizz. So honestly, if I air dry my hair and I still don't get any frizz, then I would give this product a 10. But because I diffuse my hair and it still doesn't help with the frizz like it says it would, that's why I give it a 9. So all in all, great product. I really like it. I know this is going to be one that I'm going to be using a lot more often. And one more thing I forgot to mention about the curl activator is that it did not weigh my hair down at all. Like, my hair still feels nice and light and bouncy, and that's how I love for my hair to feel. And I also forgot to mention that this product did leave a little bit of a cast when I air dried my hair, but after I diffused it and scrunched it out, the cast is completely gone. So guys, and that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also, you guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have yet to subscribe, what are you doing? Hit that subscribe button down below, or you can also hit it right there. My little face icon will pop up right there. And most importantly, don't forget to turn on your notification bell, which is right there beside the subscribe button. That way you guys don't miss out on any more of my videos. I will see you guys next time. Bye, loves. Mwah.